2024 BMW X3. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera. Take home the car of your dreams today.